Hey, hello, welcome to CMS Fixation. I'm your host Abdul. Today in this video tutorial, I will show you how you can transfer your website from one domain to another domain without any plugin. We can break down our tutorial into three steps. First, we can move our main WP content folder to new domain, unzip the folder WP content, update the WP config, and update the website URL. We can start from the first. We need to log in into our hosting provider. I am using A2 hosting. Both are domain are hosted by A2 hosting. Click on file manager. Here is the domain where we want to migrate to. You can see the URL staging wp.xyz/klb. We are going to migrate this to klbproduction.com. As you can see, klbproduction.com is fresh new domain installed. First, we need to log in into our hosting provider. Then click on File Manager and navigate to klb/klb directory. Staging. Here is a main folder and a WP content. We can compress this folder to zip. Now move this folder to our KLB production main website folder. The folder is in WP public.html. We have to delete this WP content before moving our new WP content folder. Delete this, confirm. Now copy the URL. Go to the KLB and we can directly extract this folder on this. If you are both domain are on the different hosting, you can download this WP content or zip file and upload to the another hosting provider which you are using. Because we are using the same hosting provider, that's why I'm just moving folder from one directory to another directory. It's like you are moving folder from your one computer folder to another folder. Now we can move on to again WP public.html. Here you can see WP content. Now we are going to update the WP config. WP config, click on edit. Also here is a WP config. Edit this. Now you can change the database name, database user, database password, and table prefix. Here is the table prefix. Because I am using same hosting provider, that's why I'm not exporting the database to the new database. I will show you how you can do this. Go to this and click on phpMyAdmin. Here is the DB name KLB Pro underscore WP 190. And the main directory, which is klbproduction.com, is klbpro underscore WP 952. I will show you. we are going to 19 and we are going to WP options. As you can see, the website URL is stagingwp.xyz/klb. Now we are not going to export this DB to the new DB because both the DB on the same hosting. If they are not same hosting, click on export this all DB and import where you want to import because they are both are on the same hosting provider. I am not going to export and import the database. I am just changing the DB name and the username and the password. Copy the DB name. Copy the password. Copy the table prefix. And paste it and save changes. Now we are going to, as you can see here is the klbproduction.com. We are going to reload this website. As you can see, website is migrated to the new hosting. Now we are going to the last step, updating the website URL. Go to DB. Here is the DB1. Go to WP option. Now update the URL. Copy the URL. Just paste. Before updating the URL, when we hover onto the block, you can see here it is moving to staging wp.xyz/klb. Yes, as you can see the URL. After the updating the URL, we can reload the website again. Now you can see all the URL are going to the klbproduction.com and our website is live again. Before exiting this tutorial, we have to make all DB layer to the new URL KLB production. We have to log in into our WordPress, putting our username and the password. Click on login. You can install plugin, a new plugin called Better Search and Replace. Hover onto the plugin. Click Add New. Better Search. Here is the plugin. I have already installed and activated the plugin. Go to the tools, click on Better Search and Replace. Copy the website URL you want to replace with, and here you can copy the same URL. select all tables. After this, your website is live now. At the end, I am going to repeat the step again. First, we need to log in into our hosting provider and go to the root directory where the website exists. Download the WP content folder and move to the new domain directory. After that, we are going to update the WP config file in that folder. In the folder where we are going to update the DP name, password, username, and the password and the table prefix. After that, we are going to update the website URL into the WP options of a WP option table in the database. After that, we are going to again log in into our domain name and install that plugin called Better Search and Replace and search for old URL and replace with the new URL. After all of this, your website is live now. As you can see, our website is live now. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial.